Welcome to New York Times Sudoku Easy puzzle for Thursday, November 9th. And we're going to start by filling in any ones that we have. Okay, so we have one for this column, so one can't go here. We have one for this column, so one can't go here, which means one has to go here. We also have one for this column, so one can't go there. We have one for this row, so one can't go there. So we have a one here. And then we have one for this row, can't go there, one for this column. So this is where one is. And all right, and then we have a one for this column, a one for this column, and a one for this row, can't go there. So the only other place for one to go is here. And then a one in this row means it can't be there. A one in this row means it can't be there. And a one in this column means it can't go there. So the one goes right there. All right, what else do we have? Oh, our ones are kicked. Let's do two. So a two for this row, a two for this row means the only place for two is there. Let's see. Okay, a two for this row means it can't be here. Two for this column means it can't be there, and a two for this column means it can't be there. So the only place for two here is down here. And then a two for this row means it can't be in these two. Two for this row means it can't be here. A two in this column means it can't go there. So this one is the only place for this two. Oh, we have between this two and this two, we have another two here, and between this one, and this one, we have the last two there. So now our twos are kicked, and between this three and this three, we have a three here. Between that one and this one, we have a three here. And between this one, so somewhere in this row here, but see, these makes the three there. And that makes our threes kicked. Four. This four means that neither of those two can be fours. So there's a four here. Okay, that's all I'm going to do for fours right now. Let's do fives. Okay, this five means five can't go there. Five goes up here. Now, in this square then, what do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's our 4, and then 4 means that, what does that mean? Oh, that means here's this 4 for this column. This means there, so there we go. And that means it can't go there, so 4 is there. That hasn't kicked our 4s. Man, these are stubborn 4s. Okay, 4 this column, 4 cuts this column, leaving this is the only space for 4. Now our 4 is kicked. Now take a look at this square, because we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be 6, 7, 8, 9. And actually, I think it is 6 is where we left off, isn't it? Because 6 can't go here. And then because of that, 6 can't go there. So we got a 6 here. 6 means that that square can't be 6, so we have a 6 here. Six means that a 6 can't go there, and this one blocks off those two, so this is our other 6. And between this one, and this one, it makes our last 6 there. And 6s are done. Now let's take a look at 7. 7 here means that that can't be 7. 7 here means that can't be 7, so 7's got to go there. And actually, let's really quickly take a look at this row. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got to be a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know, fooled us, right? 6, 7, 8. It's got to be a 9. Okay. Ooh, and take a look at this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that leaves this one square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Beautiful. And then take a look at this column as well. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Beautiful. So 5 we know can't go there. It goes up here, and that leaves that one last square as a 9. Oh, and we have one last square here too as a 7. And this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as a 7. This row as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then that leaves the square as a 9. Okay, we have this column as an 8, and then we have, let's take a look at the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we know 5 can't go there, so 5 is going to go there. 7. And that just leaves this one. So if you take a look at this row, it's got to be a 7, and this row as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the square, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 can't be there, so it's got to be there. 6, 7, and then 8 is our last one, and there we go. Thank you so much for joining me.